Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to enhance the quality of your images in Canva. So, without wasting any time, let's dive right in. Start by creating a blank document. You can choose from presets or use a custom size. Once your document is open, head to the apps in the left sidebar and search for Enhance. Open the first app named Enhancer from the results. Click on Choose File and upload the image you want to enhance. Before using the Enhancer app, let me show you the original image's quality. As you can see, it's not great. Now let's use the Enhancer. Turn on the Enhance Face feature, click on Enhance Image, and wait for the process to finish, which may take up to 25 seconds. Once done, click Add to Design to see the results. Zooming in, you'll notice the amazing 500% improvement in image quality. The Enhancer automatically uploads the enhanced image to Canva. Go to Uploads in the left sidebar, click the three dots, and hit Download to get your improved image. Comparing the original and enhanced images, you'll see a significant boost in quality. The app is currently free for Canva users, offering a fantastic way to enhance your images effortlessly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.